Hey, look at this Google Drive shared folder. Here, someone shared a folder with me. Inside this, more folders. And in each folder, there are files like these. But I want to transfer this full folder to my own Google Drive storage so that I can access it for a lifetime. But how can I do that? Google Drive doesn't provide any option to copy or move a shared folder from Shared with Me. Wait, we got a solution for you. You never need to download these files. No matter how large the folder size is, you can easily copy any files or folders to any drive storage. So in this video, we will learn how to copy shared folders in Google Drive for free. At first, go to this link. MultCloud is a cloud-to-cloud data transfer tool. By default, you will get 5 gigabytes of data transfers per month as a free user. But if you use this referral link, you will get an additional 2 gigabytes transfer free each month, which means 7 gigabytes per month lifetime. Create an account now. You will receive an email like this. Just click on Activate Account. Account activated. Now log in. If you look closely, you will find the monthly limit is 7 gigabytes now. So, in this tool, you have to connect both your source drive and the destination drive. To copy a shared folder, first we have to connect to the Shared with Me folder. Keep continued. The Shared with Me folder is now connected. This time, we will connect the destination drive. This destination drive can be any secondary Google Drive. You can still copy the shared folder to there. Whatever, I am connecting the same Google Drive account for copying. Under the Add Cloud section, now add Google Drive. See, the Google Drive is now connected. You see both cloud storage options on this page. Now click on Cloud Transfer. Select the folder you want to copy. And then in the Destination box, choose your Google Drive storage. Then click on Transfer Now. In the task list, you will find the progress. These files are copied from here. Folder copying is completed. Let's check in My Drive. See, this folder is now copied to my drive. All folders, files, etc. And the full ownership is my own. You can move this folder anywhere on your drive. So this is the video on how to copy shared folders in Google Drive for free. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe. And if you want more tips and tricks, ask me in the comment section.